Open fire!
Message is transmitted at the request of the San Francisco Police Department. This is not a test. I repeat, this is not a test. Another gigantic creature was spotted at the Golden Gate Bridge. This creature is known as Godzilla. It was attacking on the Golden Gate Bridge. It was known that Godzilla has destroyed the Golden Gate Bridge over with 39 kids and 150 men. There was over 50 deaths. No injuries reported. It's about time you all evacuation immediately. You must bring something for your safety. You must grab water, food, medical supplies, medical aids, and a flashlight for your safety. If this disaster keeps continuing, there might be a fast chance of the destruction of Chinatown and San Francisco that may take 5 to 10 years. Don't go to the Golden Gate Bridge that is destroyed. If you can't find a way to evacuate, go to a military helicopter now. Stay tuned for more information about this dangerous situation.